Hi guys, I'm Indrani and I warmly welcome you to my channel Indrani's Paradise. The last 2 weeks had been really topsy-turvy for me. I went to Chittaranjan to my sister's house where I stored food in my belly as if I'm not going to get any food for the rest of this year. So the obvious happened. You can see. So as a result, I'm making this video after a gap of 2 weeks. But not to worry, I'm going to make up for those 2 weeks and bring out new topics for you. Menstruation or periods has always been a topic to hush about. As a result, although being an issue both men and women must be fully aware of, often feel afraid or ashamed to talk about. We, the women, especially in our initial years of menstruation, do not feel free to discuss our problems and hence lay back in finding their solutions. And this leads to a lot of myths related to this phenomenon. So in today's video, we are going to discuss 5 mistakes that women must avoid during their periods and what to do instead. Please feel free to comment below if you have any doubts or questions about your periods. I will be more than happy to answer them. So let's begin. नंबर 1, डोंट कंज्यूम चिल्ड वाटर। हम सब जानते हैं कि कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल ठंडा होने पे सिकुड़ता है और गर्माहट पानी से फैलता है। जैसे कि पानी, अगर हम पानी को फ्रीजर में रख देंगे तो वो सिकुड़ के बर्फ़ बन जाएगा और अगर उसको किसी गर्म जगह पे रख देंगे तो वो फिर से फैल के पानी में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। किसी भी बहुत मैले चीज़ को धोने के लिए हम पहले उसे गर्म पानी में भिगो के रखते हैं ताकि इसके जो मॉलिक्यूल्स है वो ओपन हो जाए और सारी मैल बाहर आ सके। ठीक उसी तरह जब हम बहुत ठंडा पानी पीते हैं, द लाइनिंग ऑफ आवर यूट्रस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, जिससे कि ब्लड ठीक से बाहर नहीं आ पाता है। So during our periods, we should always prefer having either lukewarm water or normal temperature water in order to avoid cramps. Number 2, don't skip meals. I know we often tend to skip our meals due to the amount of pain we suffer from during our periods. But as our body loses a huge amount of blood during this time, it really needs some extra energy to function. और इसके ऊपर अगर हम अपना मील्स भी स्किप करें तो ये एनर्जी आएगा कहाँ से? अगर आपको आपके रेगुलर मील्स खाने का मन नहीं है, then you can easily opt for liquid diets, or you can also add fruits and dry foods to your diet. But not having your meals is not a good idea. Number 3, avoid dairy products. Dairy products like curd, milk, butter contains arachidonic acid in a large amount, जो आपके क्रैम्प्स को बढ़ाता है. So it's better to avoid these products or skip these products at least during your periods. Number 4, don't miss your shower. Most women out there skip their shower during the first 2 days of their periods. Some say it leads to a very heavy flow, which is an absolute myth. We should never skip shower during our periods. Rather, it is better to take a warm shower during this time because it really helps relaxing our muscles, preventing any cramps to occur. Moreover, you feel fresh, you feel energetic. The more you will wallow into your blanket during these days, you'll feel sick, you'll feel low. So don't forget to take a warm shower every single day during your periods. Don't wear your sanitary pad for more than 5 hours. The blood that comes out from our body during our menstruation is just like any other excretory waste. So it starts decaying after a certain time. If not changed in an interval of 4 to 5 hours, it can cause fungal infections, rashes and many other hygienic issues. Plastic pads के बदले आप cotton pads भी यूज कर सकते हैं और सबसे बेहतर ऑप्शन है menstrual cups का यूज करना. इससे इन्फेक्शन का कोई डर ही नहीं रहता. But there is a myth about menstrual cups that it decreases the elasticity of our vaginal path. पर इससे ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Some say you can't urinate with those cups inside. पर बहुत कम लोगों को ये पता है कि हमारा यूरिनरी ट्रैक और मेंस्ट्रुअल ट्रैक बिल्कुल अलग अलग होता है. तो यूरिनेट करते वक्त इन कप्स को रिमूव करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं पड़ती. मेंस्ट्रुअल कप्स को लेकर महिलाओं में ऐसी काफ़ी गलतफहमियां मशहूर है. आई विल ट्राई टू मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो focusing only on the topic of menstrual cups and the myths related to it and the actual facts that we all should know. But for now, I can only say that it is the best option to choose. That's all for today's video. If you find this video worthy and useful, then please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I will come up with another video next week.